How to turn on the dark mode on Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Canva fast and easy. So first thing, you need to go to Canva app, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you need to go to this menu option right here in the down below. Click on menu like this, and then click on account here, click on settings and wait a few minutes. Now click on your account, go down, and you will find the theme option. Now from here you can click on the dark mode. As you can see, now our Canva is on the dark mode, fast and easy. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.